Okay. For the last lab exam, um, I'm gonna investigate data sources. Okay. Step one, connect to Asialma. Sorry. Open terminal. I think it's not gonna work again kasi yung may meron namang password na hindi magana. Pero try pa rin natin. Baka this time kumana. Okay. It's not working naman. So, type password, enter, type, back slash ACI admin, enter. The audit log file on the Alma device can be used to investigate events on the device. In this example, the actions conducted by the ACI admin user are displayed using the less command. Type slash SSHD and then enter. The audit log file can be searched using the less command to display specific events in the example. All the SSHD events that were logged are displayed. Type Q, enter. Type sudo tail f var log audit.log. And then connect sa ACI Kati. Okay, try natin to. Ay, may password. Open terminal and then type SSH. ACI admin at 192.168.0.4. There. So type yes, enter, then type pag password di siya gumagana. So ita-type wrong password, enter, and then type ulit wrong password, enter, tapos enter this password, enter, connect kay Asialma. Dapat connected so it's hindi siya nag-work kaya hindi ito mag-work. I'm gonna explain it na lang. Press Ctrl plus C and then scroll up and review the results. The tail command used in conjunction with the -f parameter was used to follow the events that are captured in the audit log file. From the results, um, it can be seen that there was a failed SSH login attempt by the ACI admin and a successful login in the same account. Okay, task number 2, close na natin to. Tapos sa AC, close na rin natin. Okay, punta tayo dito. Okay, type natin dito sa search. Ito. Click. And then select Windows Defender properties. Ito. Okay. Select customize. Ito talaga. Customize sa login. Tapos, select daw here. Hindi. Login settings. Okay, profile, pop-up window. Select the following drop menus. Okay, log drop packets. Yes. Log successful. Yes. Click OK. And then, private profile. Done. Tapos, select customize sa login. And then, select here. Yes. Ito rin yes. And then, click OK. Then, click public profile naman. Tapos, customize ulit. And then, yes. Yes. Click OK. Tapos, click OK then. Okay. The login for drop and receive packets and the server has been enabled. Enabling logging will enable a cybersecurity specialist to detect malicious activity directed at the device. Select inbound rules. And then select new rule in the actions. New rule. Here. Tapos, enable natin ang custom. And then click next. Next.
May tissue kayo po?
Meron, eto.
Ilan kayo na ano? Okay lang po. Kasi tumaan yung aso po. Ay, gano'n. Tapos, umili rin po. Sila mag-alinin. Ako po. Ano ka na? Dapat may gawin na sa may gawin na. Pero for ano lang yun, limit lang. But for food, walang medalya per semester. For food? Nagbayad?
Sige. Apo. Okay, click. Wait lang. Saan yan? Select IC. Saan na to? Protocol. Saan to? Ito. Select ICM. Saan yan? Ha? Kuya Macdo daw pala. Kala ko naman, wala na bang Jollibee doon? Yung sa may ano?
Ang sa may Bacau?
Oo.
Kanila, alam ko yung McDo yun eh.
Baka yung sa Lianas ata yung kalan nila. Pero sabi McDo daw, McDo sa McDo.
Sige.
Okay. Saan to? Ito ata. Tama, yun. ICMPv4. Okay, click next. Click next. Tapos, block the connection. Okay. Click next. Tapos, the profile, click next. Name. Ano to? CMP block. Finish. A firewall rule has been created to block all inbound ICMPv4 traffic. This will prevent the server from receiving any ping requests from devices on the network. Connect to AC Kali. And then terminal. And then type ping /c. Then 192.16. The ping command executed will send 10 ICMP packets to the ACI DM01 device. It can be seen that the command was not successful in sending the packets. Close natin ang terminal. Connect ID. Open File Manager, File Explorer. Tapos, in the address.
Sorry
Sa address. Wait lang. Okay. Ito. Tama ba? Dito. Ano ba? Click. Ito. Ito. May quick access talaga yung brand. Tapos, enter. Tapos, double click yung p-firewall. Ayan. In the p-firewall file, locate the ICMP drop log. The Windows Defender firewall has captured the drop packets from the ACI Kali device. A cybersecurity specialist can use these logs to investigate possible malicious activity. And then close yung notepad. Close na lahat. Because we're finished. Ano to? Sa kanto. Okay, we're done.